Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to be uploading the image and cover image to our Firebase. And to do so, there are two things we need to do. So let's go to our Firebase console. The first thing is in our storage. As you can see, for now we got no files here yet. We need to upload our files to the Firebase storage. That's the first step. And the second step is to, in our Firestore database, we need a field that has the link to our document in storage. So for example, here, as you can see, we got age, email, family name, and etc. But we don't have the profile image URL to know our URL. So that's the two step what we got to do. So let's start coding. We will go to our feed view model, so it's this one. Okay, and here we will add a private function that we will call update profile image name. It will be async throws. Okay, and we will call it inside our load image. So here we will call try await update profile image name. And as you know, our load image is already called inside our selected image. Here in this set we are calling it anyway. So okay, that's very good. And as you already know, we don't do our networking inside our view model. We do it inside a folder called service. So here, as we already said, the first step will be to add a file to our storage. So that's what we'll be doing. So here in our service folder, let's add a new file. Let's call it image uploader. Image uploader. To be honest, it's not something you really need to know. I usually, if I'm working on a side project that use Firebase, I just copy and paste it. But anyway, let's implement it. So struct image uploader. Okay, and it will be a static func upload image with image of type UI image. It will be async throws, and it will return an optional string. The reason why it's an optional string is so we can get the chance to return also nil. Okay, so first thing it will be card let image data equal image dot jpeg data, and we will give it a compression quality of 0.25. Of course you can give it a compression quality of 1, but as you already know, the storage in Firebase is a little bit limited, so 0.25 will save us space. I think it will be a good choice in our case. Else, of course, return nil. Okay, then let file name equal uuid dot uuid string. And again, I remember everyone, you don't need to know this code. It's something I usually copy and paste it. You don't really need to know it. Okay, it will be let storage ref equal storage, and doesn't know storage, so let's add import Firebase storage. Hopefully now he will know it. Storage.storage, perfect. Dot reference. I don't think it's dot reference. I think with path it will be okay. It will be our path, which will be slash profile, not this one, sorry, profile image, then slash our file name, and of course he tells me it's missing return, so it will be do with try and catch, and for the catch it will be print failed to upload image with error, and slash our error. Okay, and here in our do it will be let equal try wait storage ref to put data async, and we will give him the image data. Then it will be let URL equal try await storage ref dot download URL, and in this case return URL dot absolute string, and in this one it will be return near. Okay, this code for should be enough to implement the part where we add the files to our storage, but we also need to add a field in our store database. So that part we will implement it inside our user service. So inside my user service I will create a new function at main actor. It will be function update profile image URL type string, and it will be async throws, and here it will be guard let something we did a lot of times. It will be auth dot current user dot uid else return. Okay, then it will be try await firestore dot collection, which will be users. And if you are wondering where we are getting all this, of course, if you go to our Firestore database, we got our collection called user, that's why, and of course in our document then it's our UID, so let's give it here after the user dot document with document path, which will be our UID, and then we will make dot update data, and here it will be here it will be image URL, and here it will be profile image name, so profile image name. Perfect, and we finish with self dot current user dot profile image name equal image URL. That's all we need to add a field here with profile image name and with the URL, so it's perfect. Now all we need is to call this function inside our view model. So here in my feed view model, inside the new function called update profile image name, we will first start with guard let image equal self dot UI image else return. Then we need to guard let image URL. I don't know why it has this space. It will be try wait image uploader dot upload image, and we will give it the image, and of course it's else return. I don't know why I forgot this. Okay, perfect. Else return, and we finish with try await. We need to add the fields now. It will be user service dot shared dot update profile image with image URL. That should be all we need in our code. So now if we run it, let's go to our storage. As you see, we have no file here yet. Once we finish running, when we should be able to upload the new image. So let's wait for it, and hopefully everything will work perfectly. Okay, perfect. Here we go to our image. Now, once I choose, let's say, this image, now this image was added. Now, if I go to my storage, hopefully I will find, now when I refresh it, hopefully I will find a new file. Perfect, I got the folder profile image that we created, and perfect, we got the image. If I download it, I will find that it's my image. So if I go here and okay, I don't know what's the type. Let's check first the Firestore database. And as you can see, we got the link. Perfect, that's what we want. Okay, perfect. The second step will be to implement the cover image, which is this one. So I want to be honest, waste a lot of time on it, because it's nearly the same code. So if I go to my service, to my image uploader here, I will just copy and paste it. I will call it upload cover image. I will keep the profile image. I will keep the same one. I don't feel it matters a lot. I don't need another folder. Okay, just I forgot, it should be failed, not failed it. Okay, for this one too. Okay, that's all I need in my image uploader. In my user service here, I will also copy this. It will be update cover image, and here it will be not profile image name, but it will be cover image name, and self dot cover image name will be equal to image URL. Okay, that should be all we need here. And in my feed view model, I need to create another function. It will be update cover image name, and here I will call dot upload cover image, and here it will be dot update cover image. Okay, and that should be not all, because I need also to call update cover image. Here it will be try wait update cover image name. Hopefully now it should be working too. Okay, so let's wait for it. And as I said before, it's not really something you need to remember or something. It's something usually you just copy and paste it. Okay, if I go here now, let's say I choose this one, or let's choose this one, it's better. Okay, I don't get lucky, I made my own luck. If I go now here and update, hopefully I will have a new field name called cover image name. Okay, perfect, with the link, which is perfect. If I go to my storage, hopefully I will have 2 files, not one. Okay, perfect, another files too. Okay, that's all we need to do in this video. In the next video, as you can see, I'm not fetching the data yet, so in the next video we will start fetching our user data. We will fetch the user, the image, the name, the friends. We didn't do friends yet, but we will create new users and add them as friends. So as always, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.